This is Travis. This is my Travis Road. Hi guys, my name is Travis Alexander, and I'm in and here's Uy, I want some of this. You want some of this?
Vlog ka mo, Travis, ni Kuya Boso. Travis, vlog ka mo, vlog. Vlog ka mo, gani. Tala, ano?
Sabi ko ligo. Ligo na wala na yan.
Sabi ito. Wala na, ha? Bila. Daya. Ay naman, Rek. Uy. Travis, ano ganin mo na? Magdeng ka water, balaanan mo ng balda yun. Ah, refreshing. Sol body ko to. Ooh, solve. Solve ka na, boss. Tawhay ah. Dalian na. Sander. Ay na. Travis. Yeah, ayos kag. Ngari kami sa mall, guys. Ha? Sa may crossing bangbang? Crossing bangbang. Hi guys, so we're here at Robinson's Plaza. Gina pa kami guys, si Don, shout out. Tapos si Travis kung si boss. So we're just here chilling. Ang amon nga kinaon nga Jollibee ka ginanatunaw na, so nagbakal na naman kami isang snack because we're rich, you know. We don't have a house but we're rich. Hindi nyo kaya. So nagbakal kami sa water and because we're rich. Dugagay. Okay, so bakit ka dumilim? Okay. So just waiting for wala. Chika lang niya akong ginawin na. Hala, may owl. It's so cute. There's an owl, guys. Look. Where is it? There's an owl. You see the owl? It's so cute. And Travis, say to the vlog, this is my son. And he's sweating. Boss, come here. Come here. Let me introduce you to our vlog. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh.
That's me.
KJ, ganyan si Busing yung participate. Boss! Come here. Come on, guys. Come on. Participate. The art. So, andito lang kami sa aming bakuran. So, dito lang nag-chill ang kapatid ko kasi napagod kami. So, pag nag-CR kami, doon lang kami pupunta sa bahay namin. Kita nyo ba yan, guys? Yan yung house namin, guys. Ayan. So, dyan pa kami kailangan pumunta. Ang kita nyo yan. Lahat na yan, aming car yan, guys. Sa amin yan lahat. My God. Grabe talaga. Sabi ko, mama, enough na with buying cars. Like, Wala na tayong paglalagyan, di ba, bro? Right? Oh my gosh. And ito si boss. Ayan, nasan yung yaya mo? Where's your yaya? Si, doon? Oh my goodness! Yaya, come on! Huwag mong paibayaan yung mga bata. Travis, come here, anak. Anak, stop playing na. Enough na. Where's your yaya? Where's yaya? Oh my gosh. Busy yung mga yaya, guys. Pero, kasi meron kaming 1,000 yaya.
Yeah, it's here.
No, that's your kuya. At ayun yung aming hardinero. Nagda-drive lang sa aming garden. Ay, grabe. Ang hirap talaga maging mayaman. Super rich. So, eto. Bored na ako dito sa aming hardin. So, ito yung playground pa lang to, guys. So, meron din kaming playground para sa aming mga aso. And, ayun yung aming hardinero, guys. So, ayan. Grabe talaga. Si Papa is nandun sa office. Ayan, nag-aayos siya. Ito na yung aming Food Panda delivery. Ayan, guys. Yan ang Food Panda delivery. Ang dami talagang labas-pasok ng mga sasakyan namin. Kasi, oh my gosh. Lahat yan, guys. Walang lamang tao yan. Puro yan automatic. So, ako lang yung nag-handle para makontrol. Ay, may nakapasok na tricycle. Ay, ayan pa yung delivery boy ng mga tanim. Grabe talaga. Sobrang yaman namin, guys. So, sobrang yaman namin. Hindi ko na alam kung ano gagawin ko sa pera. Right, bro? Bro, right? Guys, huwag kayo maniwala sa akin. I'm just pretending. I'm just being funny, guys.
Bye, palo, G.
Wow, ang anak ko kaloy-law ay. So that's it for my vlog, guys. How to be rich. This is how how to be rich. Okay. So ito pala yung bag ko, guys. Kita niyo to, guys. Apakaganda ng bag ko, right? Kita niyo, yan yung sikreto ng bag ko. Ayan, kita niyo yan. Kita niyo yan, guys. Oh, only rich kids. Ako lang meron yan. Diba? Ang galing. Ganyan tayo pag rich. At saka, ay nako, may dala ka akong electric fan dito sa labas, guys. Kasi, we're rich. Sige, tama na. Nag-inabno na ko. Bye-bye. Hello.
Five little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bounced his head. The mother and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on a bed." Four little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mother and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on a bed." Three little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mother and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on a bed." Two little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mother and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. The mother and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Thank you.
Yay!
Budlay dalam bata na tayo piyar sa akon. Bata dana. Ako siya guma kan.
Upo ka na lang dyan sa ubos kung sakit-sakit paa.
Bante na pre.
Thank you, ma'am. Trav. There. Wait.
Sabi mo, laki ng nakunit.
Hey guys, look at this. Look what I'm doing, huh? Look at guys, huh? Look.
Be. Make him stand, hero. Make him stand. Be. Whoa.
Also some guns. Same it as any bleeding jelly bean. Look, I have a brand new toy.
Wow.
Look guys, this is a transformer.
Be, make it transform a bit.
I'll show you the face looks like. Okay guys?
Okay.
Stiga, the face
Be. Whoa, astig.
Okay, action, go. Okay, let's go put this in. Okay, bam. Okay, next the door. Maybe I better fix this. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect, but it's still nice. Let's go. Yeah, boy.
Anak. Wow.
Guys, look. Also using some guns. Look.
It's the weapon.
Yeah, that's the weapon. Now let's go transform it again because we're gonna put the weapons in his arms. Okay, guys, we're gonna put the weapons in his arms. Okay, I'm gonna put this on.
Mommy.
Hey guys, wait, I'm gonna show you the reaction of this robot. I'm gonna show you this so awesome.
Gusto mo makisali sa ulo sa vlog?
Okay guys, are you ready to see the weapon?
Abe.
Look,
Oh. Whoa.
okay guys, look.
Whoa, astig. That's the coolest robot transforms ever made. Let's eat na.
I want to stay vlog.
Okay.
Bye.
Eh, bukasan mo ano? Imong ano ba na?
Food delivery. Mommy, can you give me my water? Water. Arina, may pagpaki ko.
Upo.